আমার স্বামীর লাশ আমি নিয়ে
আমার বাবার কিছু থাকে না গো আমার বাবা আমার কিছু আমার বড় বড় কিছু না আমার ওই বাচ্চাটা দেখবো আমি গেলে আমার কেন গেছে না আমার বাবার নিয়া আমার বাবার নিয়া আমার বাবার নিয়া
The incident that took place where 13 miners have been trapped in some mines in East Jayante Hills is something that's really unfortunate. We are very concerned about the individuals and their lives, and the NDRF as well as the district administration and the police are doing all they can to save the lives of these miners who are stuck there, and we're all praying for them. At the same time, we are aware that illegal activities were going on, and this again is something that is not correct at all, and but I think appropriate action will be taken at the appropriate time against people who are involved in illegal mining. This is something that is not acceptable to us, but I think what's more important right now is to save the lives of these individuals. So continuous efforts have been going on, and I have been in touch with the Deputy Commissioner and the SP on a continuous basis, and I hope that and pray that we will be able to rescue them, and I urge each and every one of you to remember them in your prayers so that we can get them out safely.